Hey guys, how's it going? We just finished delivering this Advent 2300 hardtop slide-on camper on the back of this Mercedes Sprinter 4-wheel drive truck. And yeah, you can see it's a beautiful camper mounted on the back of a beautiful vehicle, and he's got all this great space underneath the cab over section for toolbox, storage, and so he can bring whatever he wants. And you can see he's even got a massive tank of liquid gold diesel, so he's definitely not running out of gas anytime soon, and he's ready to go fishing wherever he wants, guys. So come check it out.